It's 2 a.m. We leaving the club, heard the ops outside. Told folks them spin that bin. Move up, did them dirty, now it's hot outside. Fuck your homie and fuck your kin. They don't never pop out and the ops don't slide. Nigga, look at this chain if he wanna. New Glock 26, leave him.
Hey man, look. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, man, bro, you tripping, bro. Go down right now, man, and subscribe to the channel, bro. What you waiting on? I know you like the content, bro. Just subscribe, bro. We lit. Stop playing. Get right, man. Go, hey, man, hit the like button, man. Drop a comment and subscribe, bro. Get right.
They wanna see me go back to my old ways. All I need is family, I'll be okay. I've been hustling for a while now. I'ma keep that shit a Thow Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma keep that shit a Thow Wow.
Y'all know what time it is. Yes, sir. Look, man. Before we get this video started, man, you know I gotta say thank you to God first. Thank you for everything you've done for me, man. Without you, ain't none of this possible. So I gotta say thank you to the man above. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh, nice little Tesla. Got the Christmas tree in there now. Oh yeah, they ready. They ready. And yeah, we seen them policies back there, so you know we gotta top that helmet, boy. Ain't no jokes, no strokes. Stop playing. Hey, nice little day out here, man. Y'all see, man, it's the best day to ride on the bike, man. Yes, sir. Man, it's a good day. It feels so good, man. How y'all feeling at home? You know, leave a comment down below. 5.11 yards, turn left. So we going straight for a minute. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, man, so listen. I want to ask y'all, man, where y'all from, man? Drop it down below. You know what I'm saying? And I want to know, do I talk like y'all where y'all from? You know what I'm saying? Like, cause I'm from Florida, you know what I'm saying? We got Florida lingo. So I wanna know if my lingo the same as yours. Where y'all from? Do I sound like people that you live with or live close to? Ooh, look at that braking. Ooh, that boy went, ooh, okay then. Look at him. Getting a little sound, getting that work in. But yeah, man, do I sound like anybody anywhere y'all from? Yeah, man, so basically I just want to know if my lingo the same as y'all lingo, you know what I'm saying? We gonna find out. You know, nothing okay then. Let's see. I don't even want to.
Real no more. Bitch, I would've bonded you out. You could've stayed at my house. We would've figured it out. You took the easiest route. I wonder when he get in out. Who we gon' hang with now? Man, this nigga dangerous now. He might end up taking me out.
He might end up taking me down.
Won't feel safe if he around. Ronin ain't gon' like how this sound. Cause bitch, you came up on the ground. You get hit with that tech if you foul. Just be quiet cause these niggas loud. Man, I don't know why he told. That boy was realer than a bitch, man, I don't know how he folded. He coulda hit them with the script, but he ain't sugarcoat. He told him what he told him. That was my brother, he broke. Gotta act like I don't know him. Don't call my phone no more. That nigga lied to me in my face, don't know what he on no more. I even asked him, was it true? He told me, nah, lil' bro. Bitch, what you lying for? You had me crying, bro. Coulda did that time, bro. Oh, you a witness now. The realest nigga.
You know, nothing. That boy was realer than the man. I don't know how he folded. Coulda hit him with the switch, but I don't know. Gotta act like I don't know him. Don't call no phone no more. I don't know if he on no more. Ooh, it must be a car meet. Ooh, that boy missing that. Oh man, some more. All these. What is up with 12? What? Troll lot, what?
Travel boy. Always in motherfucking trouble, boy. I came out the bottom, bet the heights, that shit a jungle, boy. Hold your ass up like we done with the lingerie. Police at the door, they looking for me, ma, I'm sorry. Everywhere I go, oh, oh, I get in some shit. Everywhere I go, oh, oh, bitch, I keep a stick. Everywhere I go, oh, oh, I be ignorant. Everywhere I go, oh, oh, I take a nigga, bitch. I can't keep my head cool, my mama know her son crazy. I been on point, I let that shit down.
Boy, your location sent me to some fuck shit. Huh? What you said? Where you at? Boy, that shit sent me to some fuck shit. You hear me? Where the hell you at? Which way I supposed to go when I came in? Oh yeah, that shit told me to turn down 44, but it ain't take me to you. That's it right there? Where the blue truck at? Yeah, you dumb as hell. He talking about, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, you ugly.
Everywhere I go, oh, oh, I get in some shit. Everywhere I go, oh, oh, bitch, I keep a stick. Everywhere I go, oh, oh, I be ignorant. Everywhere I go, oh, oh, I take a nigga, bitch.
What up, bro? Cooling. What's good with you? Swizz.
What you up to?
Nah, I'm low-key hungry. Appreciate it.
This shit'll roast you, CJ.
Who don't?
You're gonna blow
Bro,
up your
I will
rear.
leave your shit. With all the shit you did to it, I still leave your shit.
You rate, what was that, a 600 or 1,000? I don't even know. I can't. He raced something, and they were pretty.
For real?
Yeah, they were. He was pulling ahead a little bit. C-Jack was.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna leave your shit though. It wasn't me.
It was a 600.
It was a high booster nitrous.
Boy, if you don't
Oh, it was?
stop the cap.
It was a high booster nitrous.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
You cat as fuck. It ain't no such thing as a 600 booster. Yeah, alright. You wish.
How you started? This right
Yeah.
Can't ride
here? How you started?
I just told you.
Come on, C.
I gotta be on the clutch, right?
No, nigga, you gotta turn that bitch on. Yeah. So, alright. Yeah, so wait till I get my exhaust. That shit gonna be crazy.
You gonna get an exhaust?
Yeah. Full system. You gotta put the exhaust on there.
Rip off this bitch. 808 miles.
Yes, sir.
What did rev up to? 13?
15.
What the top at?
I ain't even maxed it out yet. Cause when it's brand new, you can't beat on it. I could do it now, but I just ain't choose to. Shit. Fast as I done went. I ain't scared for me. It's the other cars that be around, bro. I ain't never got no straightaway just by myself. But fast as I done went was like 123. That's it. I ain't even took it up there like that.
Go way faster than that,
Yeah, hell yeah, bro. It'll go like 180, 185 probably.
Yeah, I'd be sketch going 130 on this.
Yeah.
So it feel fast when you going like 120?
Hell yeah.
Dude,
Bro,
I'm scared of that.
you can't even see the road no more, bro. It's like your head just down. You just praying that you going straight, man.
Just like,
Yeah. That shit crazy for real. And then like if you lean up while you going that fast, you're gonna fly off that bitch, bro.
Really?
Yes, bro. All the wind. If you gotta be down on that bitch, bro. If you go up, that bitch is gonna hit your ass. Yeah, that shit real. I gotta clean it, bro.
low
was just gonna say that bitch do look flat.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah.
Hit the Telford.
Huh?
Tire.
Shit, I got a warranty on them. I get free tires. Every replacement, yeah. So I could like burn them out and do everything I want and get another one.
How much you take the films up?
Like $8.
I was gonna say 10.
Yeah.
93.
How long $8 will last you?
Shit. Last time I think I changed it was probably like 4 days ago. So I'm probably gonna have to get gas today.
$8, that's it.
Yeah.
You can make to Orlando $8?
Yeah. It'll make it all the way there. Damn. We done fucking hit a blade. Trying to come see this ugly ass boy. Yeah, man, done hit a blade, man. Fuck, bro. Everything that can go wrong. You know what, bro? Now I'm really gonna leave that slow ass shit in there, bro. This his shit. I'm gonna leave this shit now. Since he wanna make a nigga hit a blade.
Show us something.
Yeah. He trying to show us something. Yeah.
Check out the intercooler. Show the intercooler. That's all you gotta see.
That's it.
That's it.
What, they right here?
The intercooler right here.
Okay.
They know about cars. They know what the intercooler is.
Yeah, I don't know shit about
You
it.
showing them little.
Okay.
I didn't want to show this right here, but you showing the boost, I guess.
Yes, sir. Now I'm gonna leave that shit, bro. He done made me hit a blade, man. I gotta get new tires on India. For me?
Oh, no, I think this is down.
Oh yeah, it's right here. Damn, man.
You probably don't even need to stick that in there. It's already opened in there.
The end is flat. You probably want to put some air in it so it'll be easier to go in. Might have to fight it.
I might have to shove two in there.
If it ain't one thing, it's a motherfucking nothing.
Bro, I just got into a car accident.
In the car?
Yeah, in the car. Nah, nigga done got a flat tire. Good thing we got no warranty on the tires though, for real. Yeah, and that one, I'm looking, I'm like, bro, that shit did not look like that when I just, you feel me?
You feel it when you driving or no?
Nah, I ain't feel it. That's what I'm saying, it must have just happened.
I thought you were just running it low when you pulled up, like.
Oh no.
That boy say you taking corners at low tire pressure.
Yeah. I thought you were just like really hitting the corners.
Yeah. Nah, I still got chicken strips. Ain't no corners being hit. Look at that.
Yeah, the guy that I worked with, he always goes to the track with his 600
Yeah.
with the Ninja, and he's got there's no tread on his.
Yeah.
On his. He took it all off.
That's crazy.
But I watched him like change the tire, like balance the wheel and shit.
Is it not like a bike tire where you can just like lift it up and spin it?
Nah, they don't even have lifts for these things.
I'm talking about where you can just pick like back tire up and just lift it up and spin it around and everything.
Yeah, you should do that. You want to roll it back or
Yeah, we can roll it back.
good there?
What'd you put bike PS on to? Okay, 190, 50, ZR, 17. This shit literally like a car, 73W.
Them boys goated, man.
This shit literally like a car.
Yes, sir.
Made in Japan.
Them boys are goated, man. But no, that's how you that's how you
42
really supposed to
PSI.
ride when you doing wheelies for real. With your back tire low, they put it. Yeah, they bring the back tire pressure down so that way it won't be like all wobbly and shit. Yeah, I wonder when I hit that.
Troller catches?
Fuck no.
Hell no.
Troll
not even
catch a
on
600.
Not even on a bad day, bro. Shit, I'll leave their ass with that damn nail. in
Even with
back.
the flat tire?
Yeah. With that damn nail behind me, I would have left there.
It says 42 cold. So I did like 30.
Shout out to the goat. And the baby goat. sir.
Solid.
So what that do? If it was elite, it'll spray at you?
Yeah, you'll start seeing the little bubbles.
Okay, that's smart. Yes, sir. That loud ass shit. Yes, sir. Hey man, what up? Let's race. Look. Nah, he ain't scared.
Nah, I mean, I'll race you, but I'm on shit tires.
No, I'm just playing, bro.
I can't even go over 90 right now without my car wobbling. I don't know what's the problem.
For real?
I gotta figure it out.
Who?
Nah, it's the first time I've been in all day.
Alex what? Look at what?
I don't know, my car shakes over 90.
Damn.
Nah, Roger got here.
I'm trying to lead that shit.
Randy said he's trying to dig. Chop said he's trying to dig with track on?
Yo, what up?
Randy said what up?
Yeah. I don't know, bro, about this though. That's the only thing I'm
Bro,
saying.
you is good, bro. That bitch ain't leaking. Look, you don't need a new tire.
Alright.
Good.
Shit, I'll do it then.
Alright.
Hey, bro, what year this is, bro?
2016.
2016? Hey, this bit hard though.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Shit dirty as fuck.
Mine is too, bro. I need to watch that, man.
Bro,
Tell ya.
you got what?
That's my ass. I mean, I got new in the trunk.
Oh,
I just bought some. Is that why?
yes, nigga.
My music, feel the clip, crank Drake. I'm the one.
Take your hand off. If you go right here, it's dead ass smooth, and if you go here, you feel it like the weight. You are gonna feel that on the front.